Hello everybody, today we make pasta in peas. To make pasta in peas, it's the ingredient you need. I got the plum tomato, and what I did, I boil a couple of minutes and I take the skin out. I got 1 pound frozen peas. I got a fagno and I chop already. I got 4 cloves garlic. I smash and I chop. And I got 3 slices bacon, and I already cut in a little piece cube. And this, I got the pasta, it's 1 pound. And I got a pecorino cheese already shredded. Okay, now we start the chopped tomato, I gotta make the sauce. I cut in a little dice, this. And I do like this, look. I like use a plum tomato, but if you don't got a plum tomato, you can use like the cherry tomato. It's good too. Okay, now we start the sauce for the pasta. And we put a little oil. Okay, I want to fry the bacon. I want to make a nice color of the bacon first. I want a little crispy. Now, the bacon look a nice color I'm making now like this. It's a time to put the onion. At the same time, I put the garlic. Make sure this is not the garlic and onion, they're not burn. Now, it's time of the plum tomato. I think I gotta say something to the TV. I gotta tell to make the people that can smell when they look at this. Can look, it's really good smell. Now I turn a couple of more time, and you gotta cook for like maybe 5 minutes. And after I put the peas inside. Okay, now it's the time of the pasta. The water boil, and I salt already. Make sure when you put the pasta inside to the turn, you have to start the steak. Okay, now this you gotta cook for 9 minutes. Now it's the time to put the peas. Got the pasta cook, and the peas you gotta stay 5-7 minutes to cook together with my sauce. Okay, now we gotta put a little salt and black pepper. Look how small this thing. It's more bigger than me. And I got sea salt. Okay, and now we leave stay this. We load the gas, and we wait for the pasta now. Okay, the pasta is done, but look how nice parts my son was buying for me. Questa è una bella scola pasta. You see, I was buy this pasta, but you can buy any kind of the pasta. But this one, look, you see? Look at this. The peas, it go right inside the little hole. That's what I like. 2 peas in a little pasta. It's really good when you eat, you taste the peas right inside the little pasta. Okay, pasta is done. I'm ready to eat now. Oh, look how beautiful. Really good. Now, I got my pecorino cheese. It's the time of the taste. It's really good. I want to say thank you very much to everybody. Make this dish and let me know that's really good. Thank you.